that there is no God in all the earth except in Israel. Please accept the gift from your servant. Elisha replied, "Ask the Lord, please, whom I serve. I will not take it." And despite Naaman's urging, he still refused. Naaman said, "If you will not accept, please let me, your servant, have 2 new loaves of bread, for I will no longer offer holocaust or sacrifice to any other God except to the Lord." The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.